guys, how it's all going? Hope you all are fine. I'm ANIK CHOWDHURY. Welcome back to favorite YouTube channel Level Up For You. Now guys, all of you might know that the world is facing a huge problem of plastic. And plastic, we are using plastic every day, and plastic is kind of a thing which can't be actually fully decomposed. Means if you even bury in the land, it will not destroy it in 1,000 years, and in the water, nope, and the marine animals will become its prey. So it's almost impossible, kind of impossible to destroy the plastic. But as you all might know, impossible itself says I am possible. And to make this impossible, I am possible, today we are going to discuss an invention which can solve this problem. Means it's literally one arrow, two targets hit. Now you might ask, what is such a thing? It's a great solution. That is plastic and petrol from plastic. Yes, petrol from plastic. Now you might ask that, is it even possible? And if it is really possible, then who has discovered it? Where has it origined? How does it function? In which temperature we should keep? Where can I look to buy it? What can I run from this fuel? And what can I make from what fuels? What sort of fuels can we make from plastic? And is it destructive to the environment? And many more points we are going to see in our today's video. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. 1907. That was the year when the plastic was first invented. It was a great invention, but there was a huge problem. And that huge problem is plastic pollution. Means as you all might know, extensive usage of anything will harm one. And now the world is facing a problem of plastic pollution. Too much plastic. Means you all might know many countries, states, cities have put a ban on usage of plastic, but still they can't stop the plastic pollution. And everybody thinks that it is impossible. But once a great English author, John Haywood said that nothing is impossible for a willing heart. And today we are going to discuss about such a willing heart who has alone put a solution, such an easy solution which can remove this extensive, huge, the earth destroying problem easily. So let's see what this is actually, and that also in a question format for a better understanding. Question number 1. Is it even possible? Of course it is, because if it will not be possible, then it can't be a solution to plastic, right? So yeah. And then next question is that who has made it? Who has discovered it? So Satish Kumar. He's an willing heart, revolutionary, evolutionary, and I don't have words for it, because he has found a huge problem solution which can save the whole Mother Earth. Means he has saved the population of the whole Earth. Means this person has found, as you all might know, the solution to plastic, but most of us don't really understand that he has almost changed the whole world. Now the third question is that in which country it originated? So in the first country in which it originated, that is none other than India. India is evolution very fast. It's evolution. It's changing. In the Hyderabad, Telangana's capital, there this Satish Kumar lives, and he has found this invention. And now you can find these plastic to petrol things in foreign as well. And yeah, means it's first time found in India. Another question is that how does it function? As you all might know, as I already told you, it's super easy. Now, if you have tiny information also about plastic, then you might know that plastic is made up of crude oil. Mainly all the plastic are made of crude oil. But what's up next? So how is it related to this concept? Guess. Petrol. What are petrol and diesel made from? I know you know it's crude oil. And plastic also from crude oil, diesel and petrol from also crude oil. I think you already understood the half concept. The half concept is that how crude oil in plastic and crude oil in diesel are related. See, the machine, the process, it is called plastic pyrolysis. In this what happens, you keep a certain amount of plastic, certain amount of water in a vacuum. Vacuum is a place in which there is no air. There you heat it 200 to 300 degrees Celsius, and it purely melts down. And what do you expect? What can happen? It converts into crude oil. Water, plastic melts down, it becomes crude. Water, crude oil, that's it. Then the second step is that separate it to petrol, diesel and crude oil. Means it's already crude oil, but we'll make it to diesel and petrol, right? Or else we'll not directly put the crude oil in our car. So we'll make petrol and diesel from it, and we'll also keep some crude oil because crude oil also we can sell. And then pack it and you're done. That's it. And Satish Kumar, as I already told you, the inventor of this new concept, can make 400 liters of petrol, diesel and all these things from 500 kg of plastic. And almost every day Satish Kumar makes 200 liters of petrol. Next question is that where can I look to buy it? Where can I buy it? So let's go to computer screen now. Now you might see I'm on the India Mart website, and in front of me there is a page open that is selling plastic petrol that is made from plastic. You can just see it is so less price, means 40 to 50 rupees per liter you can buy these petrols. And that's where you can buy it. Question solved. Next question is that is it destructive to the environment? This is the point which I was waiting the most. I'm so excited to tell you about this. You know what? As you all might know, all the factories have exhaust, chimneys, waste chemicals, but the company of Satish Kumar, which is Hydroxy Private Company Limited, that has no exhaust or chimney. No exhaust or chimney means all the plastic is converted into fuel. So it is super helpful to the environment. But next question is that can it solve the whole plastic issue? So it is not like that. According to Satish Kumar, there are only two types of plastic which can't be converted to petrol. That is PVT and PVC. Because these two types of petrol are made, as you all might know, in other plastics, crude oil is used as main base. But in this, only two materials are used, water and salt. Now you might know salt can't be converted to petrol and diesel, right? So yeah, it can't be converted. Next question. In what things can I exactly use these gasoline and petrol, diesel, crude oil and as these things? So till now, these petrol are currently has been tested on machines only, and machines are running clearly fine. But still now on any motor vehicle like car, bike, truck and as these things, they are not really tested till now, so I can't give you any information on that. Because as you all might know, level of for you never gives an improper answer and information to our dear viewers, because we all understand that you have a very precious time, and this is why only. But in the future it is said that this can run aeroplanes as well, means cars and these things, so it's okay. Aeroplane, white fuel, these things, how? So nothing is impossible for the willing heart. Remember, it seems that I have solved each and every query in your mind. I hope so, and if it doesn't, then I'll be sure to help you. Please comment me down. And now, as you all might know, Satish Kumar is a savior to almost 7.9 billion people in the whole world. And not only people, animals, birds, the mother earth, that's the most important. So yeah guys, the world is changing and so do we. So let's not really damage our mother earth and let's live properly, because nothing is impossible for a willing heart. And if we don't have to actually find solution if we don't really make problems. So it is better to find a solution than, means let's not make any problem only to our mother earth. So with these lines only, I would like to end today's video. So if you have liked today's amazing topic, then give us a like and subscribe our channel for proper updates and give a valuable comments in the comment section. So yeah, it's all for today. Till then, goodbye.